What's good, and welcome back to Investing with Jack. So we're going to go over Polygon. Bitcoin took a pretty big poop yesterday and today, and it's affecting Polygon as well. So we're still up 16% on the week. However, on the day, you can see we're down almost 12%. So we're sitting at a market cap of 3.67 billion and a 24-hour volume of 743 million. So we're going to hop over to the Twitter and then we'll jump into the technical analysis. So we can see here, we're happy to announce that Polygon is now listed on Crosstower EX. Matic will be available to buy, sell, and trade on the Crosstower global digital asset trading platform. Trading will begin soon. I'm just going to close my window, guys. Just give me 1 sec here. All right. So I popped open the Crosstower Twitter, and it says here, it's a Crosstower Exchange, a digital asset trading platform founded by the capital markets veterans on a mission to mainstream crypto trading and home of the lowest fees in America. All right, guys. And then there's one more announcement here on their Twitter. I'm just going to scroll down. So right here, more than 2.5 billion value locked by more than 400 users on Avi Polygon within 20 days. So that's pretty exciting. So let's hop straight into the technical analysis for Matic. I'm also going to show you guys BTC and ETH. All right, guys. So we can see here on the 4-hour chart, we've lost the support of the 20 EMA and we've lost the support of the 50, and we've come right down to that price target at 71 cents. However, the fact that we lost the 50 EMA on the 4 hours is not really a good sign. Obviously, we'd love to hold support here at 71 cents, but there's a good chance if BTC continues to correct, that will come back down here to our previous swing high. You can see right here is our swing high at 55 cents. It's a possibility for sure, unless we're able to consolidate right here. But you can see this big red candle, and if we break below 71 cents and we're not able to turn it back into support, I will most likely come back to our previous swing high at 55 cents. All right, guys. So after you see a large pump in the crypto game, unless you're just holding till the end of the bull run, it's always good to consider, taking your profits or setting your stop limits. Or I'm not here to tell you how to buy or sell or what to do with your investments. I just give suggestions as well as the technical analysis for coins. Like if you're not interested in riding it back down, well, you can always set stop losses or take profits when you're ready. Know when to take your profits, and then you can just rebuy back in, or you can just hold if you want to hold for the waves, right? Just suggestions, not financial advice. All right, guys. So I'll pop it over to the 1 day. So we can see here on the 1 day chart, it's healthy for us to have this rollover to allow the 20 EMA to catch back up into the candles, as I've been saying. But it's key that we hold this support, because if we lose this, guys, we're probably going to head back down to that swing high at 55 cents, especially if we lose this support at 71 cents and we don't find support on the 20 EMA. If we find support there, that would be a great sign. But I'd love to see us hold this support at 71 cents so we don't break it, because if we break it, we'll probably head down first to this 20 EMA on the 1 day. And then if we were to break through that, we would come down here to our previous swing high at 55 cents. So let's pop it open on the 1 hour chart. Yeah, so we can see here on the 1 hour that we've just broken through all our EMAs. We've broken through the 50, through the 20. We have our bearish cross right here, the 20 over the 50, and we've broken through even the 200 right here. We weren't able to use the 200 as support on the 1 day. So if we break this 71 cents, well, we're going to keep coming downwards. I know it's not the best news to hear, but I'm just trying to keep it real with you guys. And so we're here on the 1 day, and I've drawn out a possibility of what could happen. It's obviously not a guarantee, but it's a possibility. You see how we had our swing high right here, and then we had our swing low, and we've had our swing high. So there is a possibility that we'll come down and we'll have our swing low, and we'll rest on the previous swing high at 55 cents before we start to continue to trend onwards for Matic. It is a possibility. There's always a chance that we consolidate in this area and the 20 EMA creeps up and we use it as support and we continue onwards. But if we were to break that, we'll most likely come down to our previous swing high at 55 cents before we start trending back upwards for Matic. We are quite overextended, as I've been saying in previous videos. So this rollover and this correction was inevitable. So keep an eye on this level, 71 cents. If we break that, we'll keep an eye on the 20 EMA on the daily, because if we do break that, we'll come down here, something like this, to 55 cents before we start continuing back upwards for Matic. So let's quickly pop it open onto the one week chart here. And you can see how overextended we are here on the 1 week. So that correction is very possible, just to allow the 20 EMA on the 1 week to catch back up to the candle. So I wanted to show you guys BTC. Now this is BTC against USDT, because if I pull it up here on TradingView against USD, the chart just looks really weird. It's all glitched out. So we're here on the 4-hour chart, and we can see, guys, we've broken through the 20 EMA. We've broken through the 50, which is bearish. So on the Fibonacci, our next level of support would be down here at 53,000. And if we break that, well, there's possible support levels here at around 52,000. And then on the Fib here, 51,000. And then we had that bottom at 47,000. Now, if we were to break all the way back down to 47,000, well, the altcoins are going to get hit rather hard, as BTC and ETH are the master energies, as I've been saying. So we can see we've broken the EMAs, right? It's looking bearish. There could be further sell-off, but we'll pop it open on the 1 day and see. Yeah, see, I'm just going to take this out of the way. See right here, these candles, we've broken through the 20 and the 50, and it looks like, you know, we're almost trending towards a bearish cross with the EMAs, which, you know, would lead to further sell-off for BTC. It looks like we might be going through that ABC correction that I've been talking about in previous videos. So we can see here on the 1 week that the 20 EMA is just starting to catch up to the candles. So we could see a further correction leading us back to finding support here on the 20 EMA before we start trending back upwards. I'll quickly pull up the RSI. Yeah, so see how we're just starting to come back down on the 1 week into the purple box on the RSI. So the chart is just healing up. We were hoping that we were going to see that correction sooner, and we weren't going to go through that ABC correction. But it's definitely looking like a possibility here. I'll draw it out for you guys one more time. I'll just use my brush because it's a bit easier. So you have your A, your B, and then your C correction. It's still, I mean, there's still the possibility that we don't see that if the bulls were to step in. But the fact that we've broken these EMAs, I mean, it's a pretty big signal. And if we see that bearish cross, that will continue to correct for BTC. But hopefully what we want to see is the bulls step in and we get back above these EMAs and we can continue to trend onwards. But you can see your double top here. So it's looking a little bit bearish at the moment. But that's all a part of the game, right? So that's it for Matic. Keep an eye that we don't break 71 cents, guys, because if we do, we're most likely going to head down. We're either going to find our EMA on the 4-hour, or sorry, guys, on the 1 day, I believe. Yeah, we're either going to come, if we break 71 cents, we're either going to come down and find our EMA. And if we were to break through that, well, we'd come down to our previous swing high at 55 cents for Matic. All right, guys. So that's it for this one part of the game. You know, we have these huge pumps. You're going to see pretty decent corrections. So that's it for Matic. If you guys got any value out of this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, check out the Discord, Patreon link in the bio, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.